Ngayon, naka-nails tayo. Bala, ito yung favorite kong nails kasi di siya makita tong isang kulay. Pero pink to guys, pink. And there's a white, this white. Yes. And this is my first time to get a fake nails. And this is the color. And this is my favorite now. And then, one there, look there. Lilim pogi. Pero, yung gumawa nito, si Glowing Kulot. Yung kalahati lang. Ako dito sa isa, siya dito. Kasi, nahihirapan na ako dito. Kasi tingnan ko na. Tapos, pag naglalagay ako, mahirap napupunta sa kamay ko. Ngayon, hindi na. Okay na. Taas. Nag-computer shop kami doon. Pag nag-computer ako, nahihirapan ako mag-W. Kasi ito yung napipindot ko. Tsaka dapat. At saka dito na lang. And that's the why you just your nails just to be shorter. Mine is so big. Look, this face is ganito kalaki guys. Yan. And that's why you should your nails should be shorter. No? No now? You know now? Tumimik ka. This is kung sino gumawa ng kalahati ng ng nails. Ako dito lang. Ito siya guys. Yan. Si Glowing Kulot. Siya yung nagawa dito.
Sabi niya papadin daw yung 100.
So that's why. And this is so beautiful. The color, the design, kung tsaka yung kabit. Tsaka yung kabit mo, ang ganda. Tsaka yung kabit mo, ang pangit. Sorry. And dahil sa pagtama ng nails mo sa mata mo at napapikit ka sa dalawang mata mo, nakita mo na iba na ang minamahal niya. Aray ko po, pakak. Send this to your friend that is broken heart. Or not. Yes. Or, please repost him and share to your friend and like it, and please just say wow like that. Any comment, but don't be bash me, okay, please. And like it. Okay. And follow me, please. Follow back ko po kayo. Bye. Bye, guys.
Ali Pepa Dobli.
Bye.